school ranger camp together. There's 5 of us out of the 6 of us in a tent, and it's raining. It's not very fun, but here. Let me show you everyone. So there's Molly. Hi. And Pryor. And Charlotte. And Julia's sleeping. Well, I guess we can't talk to Julia because she's sleeping. Oh, she's awake.
Casper Lee, he tweeted today and it was like an octopus riding a polar bear, and I was like, Octobear, like, you know, like October? What? I don't know.
Julia, go back to bed. Okay.
It's making no sense. No, Casper Lee. He tweeted a picture of an octopus.
Okay, how was camp so far?
Oh. I can't see my hair. No, he tweeted, and it was a picture of an octopus riding a polar bear, so like an bear, like in October, but it was like OCT-BEAR, like October.
Okay, how was
like
camp so
October.
far?
Camp is fun. Yeah, it was fun.
Yeah, the snack was really yummy. Yeah.
Can you cover
And I like the camper. It's all made it pretty amazing.
Yep.
After the fifth. Yeah.
After I knocked it down twice.
Yeah. We get to volunteer a lot for little kids. Stupid rain games are the best. Yeah. So, we're going to bed now? Yeah.
Yeah, everybody can say goodnight.
Good night.
Molly, say goodnight.
Bye.
I can't see your face. Julia, say goodnight.
Bye.
And I'm saying goodnight behind the camera.
Hi! Hey guys, so we're volunteering
Yep.
with all the kids.
Yeah, you can't see them. We should probably go around.
Yeah.
So, look. You see people.
They're doing all the activities. There's Molly.
Where is Molly? Where did she go? She's hiding. She doesn't want to be in this vlog. But,
Yeah. Just gonna do more volunteering now.
yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So,
Yeah.
see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Truth or dare, yes I double dare you. You, me, now I think you got it right. Oh, another day on the assembly line. Everybody better march in time, 'cause the factory don't care why. You've been saying coulda, shoulda, woulda. Oh, another day on the assembly line. Everybody better